What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Chapo Bill, man. Thank you guys for tuning back in with me, man. As you guys seen, I was taking the bumper off of the Civic, and from the title, you guys probably already know we got new tail lights for the Civic, so I'm super excited to finally unbox these and show you guys. But before we get into that, guys, I finished wiping off everything that was underneath the bumper, that it was super filthy. You guys seen that? And then we're just gonna remove the tail lights real fast. Then we're gonna go ahead and just open up the new tail lights. But enough talking, guys. Let's just continue the video. I got you guys on the GoPro so you guys could hopefully get the POV unboxing feel for this. But I'm super excited, guys. Safely packaged. Brought some gaskets. Brought a sticker. That is super far. Another sticker. Even a lanyard. Hasta el suelo. That means to the ground, guys. These are super dope, man. Shout out to you. I'm gonna go ahead and leave his IG on the screen for you guys, right? So you guys could go ahead, check him out. Head him up for all your headlight, tail light needs. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. Oh man. They're safely, nicely packaged. They're even saran wrapped. As you can tell, guys, we went ahead, got clear tail lights. Wow, these look super crazy. We're gonna go ahead unwrap these. Like I said, guys, make sure you check them out. Hit them up for any of your needs. Any questions you got, anything at all. Guys, I ain't even realized we even got black ice air fresheners. Dang. The love was crazy, bro. Shout out to you, my guy. I'm currently working on unpackaging these. These were super nicely wrapped up, guys. Don't need to worry about anything being damaged or anything. Let's go ahead and take these out. Nah, bro. My boy dead carries. Nah. Shout out to you, my boy. These things are heavy. They look crazy, bro. Oh my God, the way this car is about to look. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna leave his link in the description, his Instagram, and I left him on the screen so you guys could go check him out. Any questions you guys had? These are super dope, guys. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw them on the car because I cannot wait. Psh. Nah, this looks crazy, guys. I ain't even put the bumper yet, and it looks hard. Yeesh. We definitely gotta get the third brake light, new logos. The whole rear end's gonna be complete. Oh my God, it looks crazy. I really hope you guys agree. Not to mention how dirty the car is too. It looks so good. Let me know your guys' opinions right now, how you feel about these joints. I think I'm really happy with them. Put the bumper on and stuff, and then we're gonna go ahead and test the lights and see how it looks. Finally done, man. The car looks amazing. Make sure you guys check them out, hit them up, because these are honestly really worth it, guys. Look at that. That's so hard. I got blinking brake lights, so they're gonna blink in the camera, but they're solid. So you can get a visual right here. Then they kind of blink away, but they're not really doing that in person. Wow, guys, yeah, I'm super happy. Came out really far. Definitely what I expected. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We definitely got a lot more in store, a lot more 8th gen content that's gonna come out that you guys will not want to miss. So please, guys, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and until the next one, man.